Hi, sir.
Hello.
Kansha from Drone Expo team, and I'm here to ask a few questions about your company Agri exhibition.
Sure, please proceed.
Okay. So, sir, give a brief about yourself and your company.
So basically, I am Snehashish Chattaraj. I am here on behalf of Hawk Tech LLP. We are manufacturer of agriculture drone, and at present we have also developed multi-purpose quadcopter. As you can see, due to space constraint, we have just demonstrated our product in the live media, the agriculture drone. Okay, we are from Gujrat, and we are overwhelmed with the response.
Okay.
Whatever we are getting of our product, of our drone, of our services, it is amazing.
Okay, good to know, sir. What product are you showcasing this time at Drone Expo?
We are showcasing our agriculture drone. We have indigenously built our agriculture drone, and further we have developed the quadcopter, multi-purpose quadcopter. So it is very precise and compact with payload capacity of 5 kg.
Is there any special product that you are featuring this time?
Yes, ma'am. This product is very much presenting, very much special. We have indigenously developed the product, and the frame itself you can see that is made in India. The complete design and complete package, except from some parts, the total drone is made in India product.
Oh wow, sir, impressive. This time did you find the right visitors for your business?
Yes, definitely. We do find right visitors over here. In fact, lots of visitors. We are overwhelmed. The response we are getting till now from the Drone Expo, we are very much.
Wow, sir, glad to hear. Okay, so are you looking to participate in the next edition of Drone Expo?
Definitely, why not? Drone Expo is giving us so much opportunity, so much response we are getting, and not only that, it is one kind of platform we are getting to showcase our product, showcase our services, showcase our. As you can see, the sensors integration we have done. It is based on the hand sensor integration. The drone is flying, moving, and forward. So this kind of platform we are getting, it will be our loss if you don't participate in Drone Expo from the next time onwards.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Thank you.
Hope to see you in the next edition. All the best, sir. All the best.